we have the hiccups again. Look at us in our cute little pink socks. Oh, Claire. Oh, dear. Yes. Do we have the hiccups? Again. We're wide awake. We have the hiccups. Yes, we do. Goodness. Oh, goodness. Are you gonna talk? Yeah. Oh, goodness. Bless your heart. This is a common occurrence. Yes, it is. I'm 3 weeks old today, and I weigh 8 pounds and 12 ounces. I've gained over a pound in 2 weeks. Because I'm a milk lover. Aren't we, Claire? Mm-hmm. You're very busy. Yeah, in your cute little outfit, too. Yeah. Very busy girl. Goodness. Goodness gracious. Hi. Hi, Claire. Hi, Claire. You're talking. You're talking. I just can't see your face. There it is. There it is. Good girl, Claire Bear.